Hey guys, it's Taylor. I'm back again with some helpful tidbits about upkeep. So, in our name, obviously, it's upkeep, home warranty, and maintenance. And I'm going to tell you a few things you may have not realized or known about the maintenance portion. So, the big thing, the maintenance is included. It's not an extra charge, it's not anything more, it's included. And it's done 4 times a year, once for every season, so summer, fall, winter, and spring. It's our people coming out, our full-time technicians are the ones that are coming out and doing that. And we're the ones scheduling that. And why that maintenance is important is because if you've had other home warranties in the past, you may have had that awkward situation where, something gets denied due to lack of maintenance. You will not have that issue with us because we're the ones doing the maintenance. So if this is something you are interested in, you can call us at 636-387-7331. Or if you're ready to go ahead and get signed up, go to our website, upkeep.homes. Click that Get Started tab, and you'll be on your way with the greatest home warranty out there. Thank you, and have a great day, guys.